Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're going to dive deep into the untold story of one of India's most beloved snacks, the samosa. Get ready to uncover the fascinating journey of this triangular delight. Let's get started. The samosa is an iconic snack that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions across the globe. But have you ever wondered about its origin? Well, it's time to uncover the secrets. The story of the samosa dates back to ancient India, where it is believed to have originated in the Middle East and traveled to the Indian subcontinent through trade routes. Traders from the Middle East brought this delicacy to India, and it quickly became a favorite among the locals. However, the early versions of samosas were quite different from what we know today. The original samosa recipe consisted of a filling made of meat, lentils, and spices, wrapped in a dough and fried to perfection. It was a portable and convenient meal for travelers and soldiers. As the samosa made its way into India, it underwent a fascinating transformation. The local flavors and culinary techniques infused new life into this Middle Eastern snack. The Indian version of the samosa started featuring diverse fillings, including potatoes, peas, spices, and herbs. This blend of flavors gave it a unique identity and made it an instant hit among the masses. Over time, the samosa's shape also evolved. It transformed from a semicircular pastry to the iconic triangular form we recognize today. This change not only made it visually appealing but also allowed for a better distribution of the filling. As the samosa gained popularity, it became an integral part of Indian street food culture. Street vendors perfected the art of making and frying samosas, creating a tempting aroma that would draw people from all walks of life. The samosa's popularity quickly spread across the Indian subcontinent and beyond. It became a staple at festive occasions, family gatherings, and even found its way into Indian restaurants worldwide. Today, the samosa has countless variations, with each region and household adding their own twist. From the spicy Punjabi samosa to the savory, there's a flavor for everyone. So, what makes the samosa so special? Its irresistible combination of a crispy golden crust and a flavorful filling is a treat for your taste buds. It's the perfect blend of textures and tastes that keeps us coming back for more. Whether you enjoy it with a cup of tea or pair it with chutney or sauce, the samosa is a snack that brings people together and sparks joy in every bite. And that brings us to the end of our untold story of the samosa. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the history and evolution of this beloved snack. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories and delicious content. And as always, let us know in the comments below if there's any other food or topic you'd like us to explore next. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.